Measurement of dielectric strength of solid insulating material, in which construction diagram shown in figure, then in which input side, this output side, that is input side apply single phase 230 volt AC supply. This supply is given to the single phase auto transformer. The rating of transformer is 1 kVA. Then this transformer connected to the step up transformer. Then rating of step up transformer is shown in input voltage of step up transformer is 230 volt. It convert 80 kilovolt. The step up transformer means output voltage is greater than input voltage. Then secondary winding of the step up transformer is connected to the two electrodes. Then the solid insulating material placed between two electrodes. One electrode is called as point electrode, another electrode is called as ground electrode. Then control parameter and control panel of high voltage testing shown in voltmeter indicates voltage. Then high tension on, high tension off, that is increase voltage with respect to transformer. Then reset button, voltage control device, reverse and forward bias, main switch and mains. Then measurement of dielectric strength of solid insulating material, in which to test and understand the breakdown strength of solid insulating material using high voltage transformer kit, in which studies that different solid insulating material, their properties and breakdown strength concept. Main objective of dielectric strength of solid insulating material is to understand high voltage transformer kit, also observe how the breakdown occur in solid theory, ensure that there is a physical contact of high voltage electrode with solid insulating material, means solid insulating material placed between high voltage electrode. Then ensure that there is a no sharp point at the point of connection between high voltage bushing and high voltage electrode of the test cell setup. Then ensure that the test cell is properly connected to the ground. Gradually increase the voltage at approximate rate of 2 kilovolt per second. Then note down the breakdown voltage and gap distance to find out breakdown strength. That is, breakdown strength is directly proportional to the breakdown voltage upon gap distance between two electrodes. Then apparatus required for AC high voltage tester with test cell. Input voltage is 220 volt to 40 volt, single phase 50 Hz supply. Output is 80 kilovolt. Sample solid material and filler gauge. Then procedure to how to calculate breakdown strength of solid insulating material. First, adjust the gap between the electrode is 2.5 mm by filler gauge. Then place solid insulating material between two electrodes. Connect the main cord to 230 volt 50 Hz AC supply and switch on the supply. Then switch on the main rocker switch S1. The mains on. Then indicator lamp light up. Then bring the motor switch in reverse position and wait for meter to indicate 0. Means the meter reading should be 0. Then press high tension on push button. Then ST is on. Indicator lamp lights up, which indicates high voltage supply to the electrode is on. Then put the motor switch in forward position. The voltage on the test cell will increase at specified field. Then the voltage applied to the electrode is shown in digital voltmeter. And note down the voltmeter reading at which breakdown occur in solid insulating material. Then again Bring the motor switch in reverse position and wait for meter indicate 0. Then take 10 breakdown voltage reading for the same gap by maintaining the time duration of 1 minute between two consecutive breakdown. This is then calculate average breakdown strength and draw the curve showing the variation of breakdown voltage with respect to taking readings. Then observation table, spacing between electrode is mm, then obtain breakdown voltage in kilovolt, then calculate average breakdown voltage, then also calculate breakdown voltage, also calculate breakdown strength is the ratio of breakdown voltage upon gap distance. Result is which type of material used, then distance between electrode is as per your requirement, then breakdown voltage is occur, then calculate breakdown strength. Then this is the measurement of solid insulating material. Then next is measurement of dielectric strength of liquid insulating material. Then single phase 230 volt 50 Hz AC supply given to the single phase auto transformer. Then step up transformer is connected. Then step up transformer convert 230 volt into 80 kilovolt. Then step up transformer means output voltage is greater than input voltage. Then secondary side of transformer is connected to the electrode test cell. Then one is connected to the secondary winding and another is connected to the ground. Then in test cell in which fill transformer oil and then obtain the dielectric strength of liquid insulating material. Then control panel of high voltage testing kit in which voltmeter indicates voltage, then ST on, ST off, then motor speed reverse and forward, then main switch and voltage control device reset the restart the operation of high voltage trainer kit and main switch. Then title is measurement of dielectric strength of liquid insulating material to test and understand the breakdown strength of transformer oil using high voltage transformer kit, in which testing the different liquid insulating material also obtain transformer oil properties. Then breakdown strength concept. Objective to understand the transformer oil kit, to observe how the breakdown occur in liquid. Theory. Liquid dielectrics are used mainly as impregnates in high voltage cable, also capacitor and arc quenching medium. In circuit breaker, transformer oil most commonly used in insulating and cooling properties in transformer and dielectric medium in capacitor. For very high temperature application, electrical equipment, silicon oil is used, and liquid dielectrics normally are mixture of hydrocarbons. Fan used for electrical insulation, it should be free from moisture and product of oxidation and other contamination. The most important factor that affects electrical breakdown strength of transformer oil is the presence of water in the form of fine droplets and suspended in oil. The presence of even 0.0% water in transformer oil in the test cell to reduce its dielectric strength 20% of dry oil value. Then dielectric strength of oil reduces more sharply if contain fibrous impurities in addition to water. Then the electrical properties that are essential in determining the electrical performance in liquid dielectrics. Also obtain capacitance per unit volume or relative permittivity. Also obtain resistivity, loss tangent. It is also called as dissipation factor. which is indicate the power loss under AC voltage. Then also obtain ability to high electrical stresses. Then apparatus required for dielectric strength of liquid material is AC high voltage tester with test cell. Input voltage is 220 volt to 40 volt. Then single phase 50 hertz. Output is 80 kilovolt. Sample of insulating oil filler gauge procedure. Adjust the gap between electrodes to 2.5 mm filler gauge. Take fresh oil in the test cell. The oil should be such that both electrodes are completely immersed in oil. Connect the main cord to 230 volt 50 Hz AC supply and switch on the supply. Then switch on the main rocker switch S1. The mains on. Indicator lamp is lights up. Bring motor switch in reverse position and wait for meter to indicate 0. Then press ST on push button. The ST on indicator lamp lights up, which indicates high voltage supply flowing through the electrode. Then put the motor switch is in forward position. The voltage on the test cell will increase at specified speed. The voltage applied to the electrode is shown in digital voltmeter. Note down the voltmeter reading at which breakdown of oil place. Note down the voltmeter reading at which breakdown of oil take place. Again bring the motor switch in reverse position and wait for the meter to indicate 0. Take 10 breakdown voltage reading for the same gap by maintaining the time duration of 1 minute between two consecutive breakdowns. The time span is required for automatic removal of carbon particles from the region electric field developed between electrode. Then calculate average breakdown strength. Also draw curve showing variations of breakdown voltage with respect to gap distance. Then observation table. Pacing between electrode is D mm. Then breakdown voltage volt in kilovolt. Then sample calculation is obtain and calculate average breakdown voltage in kilovolt. Then breakdown voltage in kilovolt. Breakdown strength is the ratio of breakdown voltage upon distance between two electrode. The unit of breakdown strength is kilovolt per mm. The result table is which type of material used. The pacing between two electrodes is D, that is mm. Then breakdown voltage kilovolt. Breakdown strength kilovolt per mm. And last one is conclusion. Thus the breakdown strength of oil measured using high voltage oil testing unit. The breakdown strength of oil depends on moisture and other impurities.